Arithmetic Progression, NCERT textbook class 10. Here in this chapter we are going to learn about
arithmetic progression.
Pattern. Here there are some examples. First one is sunflower. These petals are arranged in a particular pattern. Next you are going to move on. This is hive. You can notice that even this hive is a particular pattern. Next one is corn. These seeds are arranged in a particular pattern. Even this ladder also, the steps are arranged in a particular pattern. The difference will be 2. First step is broad, and when you move on to upwards, it will become shorter. But we have followed a particular pattern. Okay, you got?
Yeah.
So this is all about pattern. You have to identify the pattern. This is what we have talking about the nature or the things surrounding us. Now I am going to give an example of say I give you pocket money. Okay, I am giving you a pocket money of 100 rupees per month. First month. Okay. So second month you have 200. So plus 100. Third month you have 300. So plus 100. Fourth month 400 plus 100. So the pattern, you got the pattern. Every month you are getting extra 100. Every month same difference amount you are getting extra. This is what I'm explaining you. The difference amount and the pattern. Once you know the pattern, you are going to know second number. Say the second number.
500.
Fifth month you are going to get
500.
So once you know the pattern, you can guess the next number. This is all about arithmetic progression.
Okay.
So now I'm going to write the numbers. This is general examples which we are seen in our daily life. Okay. Now this is numbers. See this number. And another number series 200, 150, 100 and 50. Okay. Here now again I'm going to write 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 1 will be
3.
3 plus 1 will be
4.
4 plus 1 will be
5.
So you got the series. If you add 1 to each term, then you are going to get the next number.
Yeah.
So 5 plus 1 will be
6.
You got next number. Meanwhile you can write down next term. So once you get the pattern, you can guess the next term. See here, every number here is called as terms, and this is called as series. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one here, we can see here it is in decreasing order.
Yeah.
So 200 minus 150
50.
is 50.
So the common difference of the
150 minus 50 is
100.
100. So 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50 minus 50 is
0.
So you got the pattern. Each term is subtracted with 50. So next term will be
0.
0. Once you get the pattern, you are going to be able to write the next term.
Okay.
If you don't answer means I will not explain. So what is pattern?
Pattern.
A list of numbers in each term obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number is called
Pattern.
okay. So you got to know
Yeah.
what is pattern. Next is "51, 53, 55, 57. Take as 63. 51 minus 53,
2.
2. The
Minus
difference
2.
between
Minus
these
2.
two,
Minus 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
What is this?
Common difference.
This is known as common difference. So you got to know which is term, series and common difference. So here the common difference could be negative also. Here common difference is positive number. Here common difference is negative number. Even common difference could be 0 also. Okay. Common difference is
0.
common difference
0.
So common difference could be positive or negative or
0.
even 0. So you got to know.
Yeah.
Next is what you have to know is if you want to write down arithmetic progression means what all things you want. Say.
Nth term.
See here. I will give you a number. Can you write down arithmetic progression here?
No.
Why?
Because there is no terms or there is no common difference.
Right. So you want common difference. I'll give you a common difference. See, common difference is 2. Can you write the arithmetic progression here?
Yes.
Say now.
2 plus 2, 4.
Next.
2, 4
6.
plus 2, 6.
Next.
6 plus 2, 8.
See, you want first term and common difference. The important thing you want is first term and common difference. Then only you can form arithmetic progression. Okay. Next thing what you have to know is these are called as A1. You can write it as A1 and A2 and A3, A4.
A4.
Okay. You got this. There is a general form.
NERAL.
General form. See, first term will be A. Second term is A plus D. Common difference.
Oh.
Third term A plus 2D.
2D.
Fourth term A plus 3D. It will go on. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is general form. Next thing you have to learn is, see this thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and
6, 7,
So on.
means there is no end. This series are called as unlimited. Say
unlimited.
or infinite series.
Infinite series.
Take this example. This series have an end. So this is known as
Finite series.
limited
Or
or
finite.
finite. Before going to exercise, you have to know these things.
Okay.
Now you have a clear picture what is arithmetic progression,
Yes.
what is series,
Yes.
terms, infinite, finite, common difference, general form. Now we are going to move on to exercise. Okay.
Yeah.